Welcome to Rev and Rome. Please support Santosh. He's a good rider. He just ride, Rev, Rome. He's a crazy dude. Support Rev and Rome.
Good rider. Alright, so everyone is here in the meetup point. Such a useless spot this is. After the Nelmangla toll, none of the petrol bunks have air facility. So one of our riders' tire is punctured, but they are helpless now. Useless people, they have air, nothing is working. We'll have to see what's going to happen. Right, it was a good adventure. Finally, after 1 hour of struggle, we found a puncture shop. So this is called HKBN Puncture Shop. We did a good job. The tire was cut, so we had to just temporarily use a tube and make it a tube tire rather than tubeless. So okay, good. Alright, I'll give you more updates in the process. We're riding to Vaishali. Done with breakfast. So the next stop is going to be Kalasa, 100 kilometers from here. But we have reached Taylor Junction and we are waiting for the other days to come. It's about 86 kilometers from this place. Not that hot here like Bangalore. Very manageable, because by this time if we are in Bangalore, we have felt the heat and felt baked inside, but it's crazy. Okay. Okay, we are still 2 hours away from the destination. Reason is this one. So the bike stopped once again. First time it was for puncture. Second time now it's for battery. So we tried multiple things. Nothing is working out. Only thing now we have to do is to order a new battery. So this is the old one. Let's see what's going to happen.
2 hours later.
Another 30 to 40 kilometers to reach the destination. You can see Jujin, sad face. Mr. Kannan is waiting for Suresh. Right, another 1 hour will be there in the resort. Some off-road to reach the resort. Nice. Mele akela. Mele. Alright, we have reached the destination, boys. You can see
This is Multani Metti therapy. Vaga.
Okay, guys. Okay. Wait. Lose a bit.
Vehicle carrying people around, but we never thought we were going to be on this kind of vehicle once. This is definitely a kind of a dream come true.
Everyone bend. Oh wow. Good morning, day 3 of our ride. So we are done with the breakfast. Had a couple of video shoots. Heading back to Bangalore. It was a good stay, peaceful. Caretakers were really good. They helped us a lot. Bit of off-road while we are exiting the resort to the main road. That's the best part. Alright, more updates while I'm riding. ಬಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. If you guys enjoyed the video,